Everyone's talking about making passive income with AI dropshipping stores. Some people claim they're making thousands per month without touching inventory. I wanted to see if this was real or just another internet scam. So I gave myself 7 days to test. Day 1, building the store. I found a free AI tool that creates Shopify stores automatically. I chose fitness because I know there's massive demand. The AI built the entire store in under 10 minutes. Product pages, banners, descriptions, everything. Day 2, finding products. This is where most people mess up. They pick random items and hope something sells. I used the AI tool's trending section to find products already making sales. I added a breathing trainer for runners and a jogging hat. The AI wrote all the descriptions and uploaded professional photos. Day 3, pricing strategy. Multiply your product cost by 2.5. If something costs me $7, I sell it for $17. That covers product cost, shipping, and leaves profit. Day 4, making it look professional. The store had a random domain name that looked sketchy. I registered a proper .store domain for free through the AI tool. Day 5, getting traffic. I went with micro-influencers, found 2 fitness content creators with 15,000 followers, paid them $50 to post 1 video showcasing the breathing trainer. Day 6, waiting. This was the hardest part. Watching the store, refreshing the dashboard, wondering if anyone would actually buy. By the end of day 6, nothing. Day 7, results. Woke up to 10 orders, 10 sales at $170. After product costs, shipping, influencer payment, and the Shopify fee, I cleared $80 profit. Now, $80 in 7 days isn't life-changing money. I spent 1 hour building the store, $50 on marketing, and made profit in under a week. If you want to copy this, use free AI tools to build your store. Pick trending products. Make your store look legitimate. Find micro-influencers in your niche for promotion.